Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I have my current favorites, things I've been loving. Fall is quickly approaching and summer is coming to an end, and I couldn't be happier because not only do I love fall, but also it's too hot. I'm over summer, I'm ready for all the things fall. So today I'm going to share with you some things that I've been loving for like the end of summer, early fall, just random things I love. I also wanted to say a huge thank you to FabFitFun for sponsoring today's video. I cannot wait to do an unboxing of the fall box, and everything that I show in this video will be linked down below, including my jewelry and what I'm wearing and all that good stuff. Anyway, follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, and without further ado, let's get into it. Look at this. It's a little denim jacket. Y'all, Sarah does the cutest personalized baby things. I think like up to tweens or something like that. So I got this one that says Olivia with a little lightning bolt because of Bolt. Tell me this isn't freaking adorable and I could like put patches or something. Oh, I'm obsessed. Sarah has the cutest stuff for kids. I just do it through their app. I think to personalize is like $2 or $3 and it shows up at your door. The only thing is you can't return it, so make sure you're buying the right size, and when in doubt, size up. So like I said, today's video I'm partnering up with FabFitFun, and I wanted to do a little unboxing of their beautiful fall box. I've been using and loving FabFitFun for years. I think I started in like 2018, and their boxes are just such a good value. Their fall box can be up to $300 in value, which is such an insane deal, and the brands and the products that come in these boxes are just such a steal. So let me show you what I got. So here is my fall box from FabFitFun, and I was shook when I saw the brands and the products that were in my box. I was just shook. So starting off strong, we have Living Proof shampoo and conditioner. Living Proof is such a good hair care brand, and I've actually been using these, so I have doubles of everything basically, and they really do make my hair feel so much healthier in a way. So this is the Living Proof full shampoo, and then this one is the full conditioner, and it's supposed to add volume and fullness to your hair without drying it out or making it like too frizzy or puffy. I love this brand. I've been using it also for years, and I'm so happy these came in the box, and they're the perfect size. I feel like I could throw these in for travel and they're perfect. Then we have a really good thing for the fall. These are the Fry boot socks. Let's open them. Why did I say boots like that? I don't know. But every single time I wear, especially over the knee boots, it's so hard for me to choose the right socks, and this one comes with gray and black socks. Be hurting while I'm wearing the boots, or I don't want anything too thick that makes them uncomfortable. Oh my god, this is like really glued on here. I really want to show y'all. So here are, oh, these are soft. Look at that. Perfect. I'm so excited, especially the black ones for over the knee boots, and they're super freaking soft. So excited for these. This is actually something that I didn't know I needed until now, and I'm so glad I have it. I'm so excited to finally talk about these. So this is the Sugar Bear Hair Sleep D gummies, and these not only have melatonin, which is great to help you sleep, but they also have magnesium and L-theanine. I don't really know how to say that, but it's supposed to like relax you. And y'all, I've been taking melatonin for a while just because I drink a lot of caffeine, and I always wake up kind of groggy and, you know, like I'm not well rested. These are a game changer because you get the benefits of like melatonin, you know, going to sleep fast, all that good stuff, but the magnesium really relaxes you. You wake up like refreshed. I'm obsessed with these. They're like on my nightstand. I put them in my night routine TikTok. Like, I'm obsessed with these, and they taste so good. When I tell you I was shook when I saw this, I've been wanting to try Glow Recipe for the longest time. Not only are their products like really good for your skin, but they're so aesthetically pleasing. Look at this gorgeous moisturizer bottle. Like I said, I have doubles of everything, and I've been using mine under my makeup. It's what I'm wearing actually as a primer today, and I feel like it does such a good job at hydrating my skin while still making it like nice and glowy but not slippery or like breaking down my makeup. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's such a nice lightweight moisturizer, especially for under makeup. If I were to buy this at Sephora, it would probably be around the same price as my entire FabFitFun box. So it's so crazy that this was in it. I'm so happy with it. Like, not only, like I said, it's super aesthetically pleasing, but it actually worked. This is another really good high-end skincare brand. It's a Dr. brand, essence. It's kind of like a serum, so it says it tones, soothes, and revitalizes. So with skincare like this, I like to try it like for a while before I see actual result, or I see a difference from what I used to use. So I will give you guys a full-on review after like a month and a half or 2 months, because I really want to try it out before like knowing if this actually made a huge difference on my skin. I feel like with moisturizers it's really easy to tell if you like them or not after a few uses, but with toners or exfoliators and things like that, I feel like it takes a minute. So I will let you guys know, but this is like a very well-known, renowned brand for skincare, so I'm very excited to have this now. Completely forgot this came in my box, and I really need to use it because every time I get my lashes filled, my eyes get really red. So these are eye drops, and they make the whites of your eyes extra white. They make you look really awake, and they make your eyes just look shiny and pretty. I actually kind of want to put them on right now, but I feel like I'm gonna ruin my makeup, so I wish I could show you, but it works so quick. I've used these before, and this is like such a good thing just to have, and these are actually pretty pricey, so the fact that you get them in your box is such a steal. Another thing I've been using, this is another backup, these are the black BLAQ pumpkin fresh, I will read you the thing, pumpkin fresh peepers, minimizes puffiness and dryness. So these are actually under eye hydrogel patches that you put under your eyes, and they're so cute. Not only are they orange, but they smell really good and they really work. So I used to put these on at night or during flights, but now I actually put them on while I'm doing my hair. So when I'm ready to do my makeup, my under eyes are depuffed, and it really works. These are so good. It comes in like a very nice pack. You get a bunch, and they just remind me of fall. So those were all the products that came in my FabFitFun box, and you can get yours for only $44.99 with my code. It's Philo. I'll put it on the screen and down below. Y'all, such a steal. So many good brands, so many good quality products, and things that I actually will use and actually needed, which is so exciting that I got it for such a steal. Y'all should definitely check it out. I will leave a link down below, and like I said, use my discount code for an even better deal. I love everything I got in this box, and I'm so excited for y'all to try it out as well. Thank you to FabFitFun for working with me. Let's keep going with the video. Okay, I wanted to get a fall specific bag. I don't know why this combination reminds me of fall so much, but I wanted a medium toed, and I found this one. It was like $75, so not too bad, and it's actually really good quality. So before, from the same seller, I've tried the black leather detailing, and in the smaller size. Didn't love that one. I love this one. It comes with the handles and a little crossbody strap. Perfect size. I will say the one thing that I don't love is that the gold hardware is pretty brassy, like pretty yellow, but because of the way this bag kind of works, you barely see the hardware. So perfect little fall tote. I feel like this really fits everything I would need. Instead, like the smaller one was too small, and the black one didn't go with the majority of my outfit. So I'm super excited to have this one and wear it throughout the fall. Okay, I have like a mixed favorite, because one of the things is that I'm obsessed with matching with Olivia. So Show Me Your Mumu has become like my new obsession, and it's so expensive. They were having a sale and I took advantage. So this dress that I'm wearing is from their Barbie collection, and I got Olivia the same one. Sorry y'all, this is driving me crazy. Look at this little tiny dress. Isn't it so cute? So I think I got her a 2T 3T, and you might be thinking, Philo, that's kind of dumb. Why would you get her something that she can't wear right now? And she's just growing so quick that I wanted to get something that like will actually fit her, like not just now. So I sized up to a 3T, and I'm wearing a small. So freaking cute. I think we got it 40% off. And then I'm obsessed with this. So she actually has this cover up in a super small size, so I decided to get her another size. This is the 2T. It's like a beautiful knit cover up dress, so pretty. And then I also got her a 10 to 12 years old because I'm excessive, and I got myself one in the size small. I've been wanting it for a while and I couldn't justify the price until I saw that it was on sale, and it's gonna be so cute, like for a little vacation or something. I'm obsessed with it. Hopefully it's still on sale, and I highly recommend checking out their sale section because they have so many cute things. So that's like part one, and then part two is that I'm obsessed with showing your Mumu for myself, not necessarily just to match Olivia. So I got a few things. I got this maxi dress that is so fun with like an O-ring and then some cutouts on the side. I love their prints. I think they're so unique and pretty, and that's the only reason why I justify their price, even though it really hurts my wallet most times. So got this cutie maxi dress, and their stuff just fits so well. I got this jumpsuit. It's so obnoxious. Like, it has a collar, it's like denim material, it has like a zipper, a belt, and the prettiest like 70s hippie print. I love this so much, and I know I keep saying I really want to do the Too Groovy theme for Olivia's 2nd birthday, so that's how I'm justifying all these like insane purchases. But tell me this isn't so pretty. And usually I have no luck when it comes to buying jumpsuits or things like that because I'm so short and my torso is short, and then my legs, you know, nothing fits right. This fits like a glove, so I got a size small in this one. They do have different prints, and they have just like a plain denim, so if you're into it, highly recommend because they fit amazing. And lastly, from Show Me Your Mumu, I got this romper that they just released because once again I'm obsessed. This one is a lighter weight denim, but still denim. This one is a button down, and then it also has the belt, and this one is shorts because, as y'all know, I live in Houston. Our fall is maybe 75 degrees. So I wanted something like with the fall tones, but still like comfy and lightweight to wear during our fall weather. And then this isn't necessarily like a fall purchase, but y'all, I almost have a year worth of photo books, and I had to show y'all because it's so sweet. So I started doing these when Olivia was born, August 2021, and then I did one every single month with all her pictures because I don't know, I love having pictures obviously on my phone and just digitally, but something about physical photo books is just everything to me. Look at that. So I have all these pictures in my office, and I got the little pink ombre, which I think is so pretty, and now I just have all her pictures from newborn to a year old, and it's just like so sweet. And it's really a fun way to just have them because I feel like I wouldn't look at these like on my phone just randomly, and now I have like every single month nice and organized. So I wanted to share just because I know the holidays aren't technically coming up, but you know, they'll be here before you know it, and this would make the best gift, even if you just get them a gift card so they can do it themselves, for like a grandma. I think this is adorable, so I had to share with y'all because I can't believe I have this many and that my baby is a year old. Okay, I would love for y'all to tell me if you consider these to be fall appropriate shoes, especially because I live in Houston, and even though it is fall season, we don't really dress in like layers or anything warm for a while, and I think the color of this is pretty fall appropriate. I wouldn't really consider these a neutral by any means, but the color is pretty fall. Y'all, I got these and I've been wanting to wear them every single day. I'm just obsessed. I can't stop staring at them. I've been trying to break them in at home. I'm not like scared that they're gonna be uncomfortable. I just don't want this kind of area to rub against my skin, so I've been just wearing them casually. They are so cute. They make your legs look a million miles long. I'm obsessed. I cannot tell you how much I love them. So I'm usually a size 7. I will put the size that I got. It's just a 37, but I have a feeling I maybe got a 38, which is a size 7 usually. But y'all, I am obsessed. I'm so glad I went with this style, which is even more of a platform just because I'm pretty short, but the listing has so many. I just love these. So guys, that's everything for today's video. Thank you to FabFitFun for working with me. Don't forget to check them out and use my discount code Philo. I'll leave it down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I should have Olivia's first birthday video up very, very soon. I'm so excited to share this with y'all. Thank you guys for being here. I love you guys so much. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one. Bye.